Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to fully restore your WordPress website backup through cPanel. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to the backup file. Once you're here, you simply need to compress this file. Zip. Okay. Once you are done compressing this file, you simply go back to your WordPress website dashboard. We simply click on add new. That's the plugin. So we are going to be installing this plugin called all-in-one migration. After which you click on install. You simply activate it. Once activation is complete, you simply go to your cPanel. After which you click on File Manager. Once you're there, you simply click on Public. After which you click on WP Content. Once you get there, you simply click on Backup. So guys, we are going to be uploading that compressed backup here. We click on Upload, which is going to take us to here. We click on choose the folder, or you can simply drop it if you want. So guys, this is it here. We click on it and open it. So this might take a while. You simply need to wait. Once the uploading is complete, you simply click on go back. So guys, this is it here. We simply need to extract this backup. Okay, after which we are going to refresh the browser. So this is the backup here. So guys, we are going to go now to our WordPress dashboard. So this is the website. We click on it, we refresh the browser. So after refreshing the browser, after which we are going to click on all-in-one migration. Once you are there, you click on backup. After which we'll simply click on restore. So guys, this might take a while, so you simply need to wait. After which you click on process. So you simply need to wait. Once importation is complete, you simply close your browser. After that, you go and refresh the browser. So guys, this is the WordPress we are just from uploading from our cPanel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.